वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फिजिक्स इन्फो। आइए शुरुआत करते हैं वेक्टर्स की। मींस ये वेक्टर्स को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। अभी तक हम लोग वेक्टर्स पढ़ रहे थे और वेक्टर्स में अभी तक हम पहुंच चुके हैं रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर तक। आज उस रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर के ऊपर कुछ डेली लाइफ के एग्जांपल हैं, उसको समझने की आज टर्न है। सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट टुडे द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ ए वेक्टर. As I have told you, what is the meaning of resolution? Resolution means just resolve a vector, not just don't like to break a pen in two parts. No, just to separate a vector into two or more vector which represent the same result as given by the single vector. Right? So this is the meaning of a resolution vector. Resolution of a vector. Last time I have discussed about the rectangular components of a vector in 2D and 3D. So that was nothing but resolution, right students? So resolution means just to separate the components. If generally somebody asks to you that how many components a vector can be resolved, so the answer should be infinite. Why? Because a vector has so many directions, there is nothing any fixed direction you can say. But however, to confine our you can say problem, we resolve the direction into maximum three parts, that is x, y and z axis. However, their counterpart is also considered, like minus x, minus y and minus z. So hope students you understand about the resolution of a vector. So now we will start today the applications of resolution of a vector, and one of the application is it is easier to pull a lawn roller than to push it. It is easier to pull a lawn roller than to push it. It means कि अगर आप एक लॉन रोलर को खींच रहे हैं तो खींचना आसान है देन उसे पुश कर लेंगे, राइट? एंड द सेकंड वन इज वॉकिंग ऑफ ए मैन ऑन ग्राउंड. And there is one more concept that today all of the students you should know about the concept behind walking of a man, right? So I will tell you later. First of all, we will come on this application, that is lawn roller. And you know very well lawn roller is the cross-sectional shape of lawn roller is circular. So first of all, I will draw the shape of lawn roller. The cross-sectional shape, that is nothing but a cross-sectional shape is circle. However, it is a cylindrical shape in 3D, but on board we will I will draw it as a circle. Okay, so this is on ground. We will note that how it is easier to pull. The main question is कि pull करना कैसे आसान है. So first of all, we will divide this case in two parts. Case first. First of all, in first case we will consider to pull, right? So for this I will make another part of this lawn roller, that is handle of this, and you can see that this is the part that with which we will pull or push the lawn roller. Okay. Before applying the force, first of all, the weight of lawn roller is nothing but W, which act in perpendicular downward direction, that is W equal to mg. It's okay student, this is the center O. Okay, now it's time to pull. First of all, I will tell you again, that is weight is an action of a lawn roller on the ground. Now when we pull it with a force F, so this is the direction of force applied by us on lawn roller, and make a horizontal line so that you can say that this is angle theta. This is angle theta by which we are applying force F, and such that there is a two component, as you have studied about the resolution, because force is a vector quantity. So there will be a component along this line because theta is making with this line, with this horizontal line, and according to concept of resolution, when a vector make an angle theta with horizontal line and with the line, so along that line the component comes out as f cos theta. Means the force that we are applying have two components now. One along can break in two components now. First one is f cos theta. This is along this horizontal line, and second one is f sin theta. This will be perpendicular on f cos theta and will act in upward direction, that is f sin theta. Okay students, so there are the two components, one is f cos theta and second is f sin theta, which is acting vertically upward direction. Okay, now what you have to notice, you have to notice the direction of force in in the direction of these two components. First is horizontal and the second is vertical. Now why? Because we need not to look out now that along the direction of force. We need to notice the direction along f cos theta and f sin theta. So you can notice here along horizontal there is only one force f cos theta. Okay, and in vertical direction there is two forces, one is upward direction, that is f sin theta, and the second one is weight of roller, that is in downward direction. So according to concept of force, there is two opposite forces along vertical direction, and in along the downward direction there is a weight of roller, but against this weight there is f sin theta in vertical upward direction. So we should notice that there is some, you can say, loss of weight we will feel while we pull the lawn roller, right? यानी कि mg नीचे है, f sin theta ऊपर है, तो it means two forces are there in opposite direction. So net force will be difference of these two. It means net weight of roller is not w, it's w dash, which is equal to w minus f sin theta. मीन्स आप ये देखिए कि फोर्स अप्लाई करने के बाद f sin theta is acting in opposite direction of weight. It means this factor will help to reduce the weight of roller. It means when we will pull, then we will feel less weight of roller. Is it clear? Because net weight is w dash, we will give it name as w dash, which is equal to weight minus f sin theta, because this is a force and this is a force, and you can say that it's an unbalanced force, but unbalanced force reduce the weight of the, because something is minus in the weight, so we can notice that yes, there is some reduction of weight of lawn roller. So while pulling less weight of roller is appeared. First factor is this. Okay, now I will draw the another diagram while we push the lawn roller. This is the first case when we pull. So then in the second case when we push, we will have the different result. Then we will compare this one and the second result that we will obtain here, and come to notice that why I am saying here it is easier to pull a lawn roller than to push it. So now come to the second case, that is the Again I am drawing the diagram of lawn roller. So come to the point, this application we will do later. Come to the another diagram. Okay, again the handle of the lawn roller, this is the weight W. Okay, ground you can say. Now come to the point, when we will push it, so push like this to move in forward direction, है ना? When we will apply the force in this direction, so we are applying a force in this direction, the line of action of force will be like this. I will represent as dotted line. Dotted line means line of action of force. Handle के along जो है force लग रहा है, so we can draw the line furtherly. So this is F, this is F vector, is no doubt here. So again draw a horizontal line. We can say that the angle theta is here, angle theta is also here. The extra work is in while we push the case to push. Okay, to push. So in pushing, when we push the lawn roller, then same point is here. The theta angle is made by the handle of the lawn roller with the horizontal line. So again, the concept of resolution says that along this line the force will have cos component, and in vertical downward line you can say that in downward direction the component will be f sin theta. Okay, so what should we notice, what should we look at this picture? When we push the lawn roller, then the component of force along horizontal line is f cos theta and along vertical line is f sin theta. So what is the difference between this diagram and this diagram? The difference is the direction of f sin theta was vertically upward when we pull the lawn roller. In this case, the direction of f sin theta in the along the direction of weight, means you can say that now the net weight, why I am using here the net weight, because along the vertical direction now two components are working. First is W and second one is f sin theta. So this part will add up now. In this case the f sin theta was subtracted, but in this case f sin theta was adding to W, so that the two components act along the same direction. So we can say that W dash means W plus something, means weight में कुछ ना कुछ add हो रहा है. So we can say that we will feel lawn roller is heavy. In this case we appear that lawn roller of less weight of lawn roller, but in this case we will feel that the weight is increased. However, actual weight is same, but the component of the force that we are applying on the lawn roller, when we push it, this component is add along the direction of weight. So that's why net weight will increase. Hence, so while pushing, more weight of lawn roller, या roller simply you can say, is appeared. So I hope you understand that why it is easier to pull a lawn roller than to push it. This is situation number 1 and this is situation number 2. So last line you will read, write it by 1 and 2. By 1 and 2, we can say what we can say, that hence it is easier to pull than to push a lawn roller. So this is one of the application based on resolution of a vector, because here the resolution is f cos theta along horizontal line and f sin theta along the vertical line. Okay, bachcho? So please, I hope you understand, and make sure about it and take the screenshot and note down it. Now we will start with the second example. That is second application, you can say walking of a man on ground is also as another example of resolution of a vector. Means we will look out here that how and which vector is resolved while we walk on the ground. Yes, students. Now it's time to understand the second application, that is walking of a man on ground. Okay, come to the point. First of all, I will draw its a surface, ground surface. Okay, and here I will try to understand too. So why the two feet of our body look like this? Because this structure is expressing while we walk. Okay, because when we stand at a place, then both feet is along the horizontal face, you can say. But while we walk, there is a picture look like this. Okay, so which picture? We will notice that. Try to understand, students. Yes, while we walk, while we walk, then always try to push the earth. However, earth will not push, but try to push. Like I am pushing the wall, but there is no movement of wall, but the force is applied. Yes, action reaction is also there. Right now, a ball is you can say throwing on the wall, and there is no movement in the ball, but the ball comes back. So action reaction take place. There is no need that when we applying the action, so there should be change in the another body. There should be some change in the another body. It's not necessary. Okay, it depends on the weight and mass of the another body. Okay, action reaction takes place. So in the same way, while we walk, then we always push the ground in backward direction with our this feet. So we always push the ground in backward direction. So this is the force F, you can say. This is the force F. I will name it as action, or I will say it's a force exerted by man on ground in backward direction. Yes, in backward direction. Here is the concept of Newton's third law is also followed, right? Concept of Newton's third law is also cleared. So please notice about it. So when we walk, then we always push the earth in backward direction with our this feet. Okay, and as per Newton's third law, earth applies a reaction R in forward direction, and this is angle theta with which we are applying the force in backward direction. So this theta, so you can say this angle is also theta. Clear? There is a point of contact from where we are applying the force in backward direction. Okay, students? Yes. So please notice it. So this is F, force action, and this is the R. What is R? Reaction exerted by Earth on man in forward direction. In forward direction. Okay. Now it's time to resolve these vectors. Now it's time to resolve these vectors. This vector R. However, R equal to minus F. No doubt. Equal and opposite. R for reaction. That's why reaction is a force. I have already told you. Reaction force you can say. Reaction force. Because somebody I think you think that force is represented by letter F. No. If you are telling about the letter that is R is a force, then you can manage. So R equal to minus F. According to this, now it's time to resolve. So we can resolve vector R. Vector R. I will draw another diagram. This is resultant vector R. This is the point of application. So, and this is the horizontal line theta. So along this line, R cos theta will be there and R sin theta will be there. Okay, they're the two components of Earth's reaction, R cos theta in horizontal direction and R sin theta in vertical direction. Okay, now the two components have different role. Please try to understand. In this way, we should also express the weight of person, that is weight W, and weight always act in a downward direction. Because while we stand or while we walk, our weight is balanced by Earth. But now, while we walk, the weight of our weight will be balanced by the Earth in different manner. So, what is the different manner here? The different manner is, you can understand कि weight W equal to mg is balanced by R sin theta. Please try to understand, students. We can say the component R sin theta is equal to mg, means this component balance the weight of man while you can say while walking. Second, R cos theta helps the man to move in forward direction as friction. Try to understand. Friction is a reaction. Friction is a contact force, and R cos theta is also contact force. You can say R cos theta will along like this direction. और यही concept मैं आपको clear करना चाह रहा था. We always think about that friction opposes the motion. No. While we walk, while we stand, friction helps to walk. Friction helps to walk. Okay, on the ground. This is the concept. Why? Look at here. The R component, the component of R is R cos theta along the surface, and this R cos theta is nothing but friction, which helps the man to move in forward direction as the friction. That's why I write R cos theta as friction. So students, I hope you understand that while we walk, how Earth help us to move in forward direction. Okay. So first of all, draw this diagram. Then come here, and after that, note about these two, R sin theta and R cos theta. Okay. Thank you very much, and I hope you understand about the topic that I have taught you about the resolution of vectors applications. Clear? Two applications. There are so many applications are there, but the basic application so that we can understand is two examples are there. That is One of the example was about the lawnmower, and the second one was walking of a man. Okay, while we walk. This is based on us. So students, note down it and thank you very much.